Activating your US mobile SIM or eSIM online is now incredibly fast, often within minutes. Forget about waiting for physical SIM cards or visiting stores. First, ensure you have a compatible device. Most modern smartphones like the iPhone 15 series and Samsung Galaxy S24 support eSIM. Older models may require a physical SIM. Next, download the US Mobile app available on iOS and Android or head to usmobile.com. Create an account or log in with your existing credentials. Select your desired plan, like unlimited data, and enter your billing information. For eSIM activation, the platform will generate a QR code. Scan this code with your phone to download the eSIM profile. Finally, confirm the activation via SMS or email, and you're good to go. This instant activation leverages cloud-based provisioning for a seamless experience. While activation is usually instant, occasional network congestion can cause delays. If activation takes longer than 30 minutes, contact US Mobile's real-time chat support. One key benefit of eSIM is flexibility. Digital nomads, for example, can quickly switch to local data plans while traveling, saving on roaming fees. US Mobile also boasts broad device support and no contract flexibility, making it a competitive choice. In case of activation failure, the US Mobile app offers instant QR code regeneration for quick recovery. For added security, US Mobile uses end-to-end encryption and GSMA's RSP standards for safe remote management. Finally, instant activation eliminates supply chain dependencies on physical cards and reduces e-waste.